Hello and welcome to the forum. Every week, we take no more than 15 minutes to discuss the 3 highest conviction ideas surfaced across the Smartkarma network, cutting through the noise and helping you zero in on what truly matters most. The live forum and Q&A session are exclusively available to Smartkarma Plus subscribers. You can always revisit previous episodes on this YouTube channel. Without further ado, let's dive into this week's ideas.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Smartkarma Forum. The forum is a high-impact weekly live webinar exclusive for Smartkarma Plus subscribers. We use the forum to discuss the best, highest conviction insights surfaced across the Smartkarma network. The forum is meant purely for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. It is the opinion not of Smartkarma, but that of our insight providers, and Chatham House rule applies. At the end of every week, we take video recordings of the forum, convert them into very short bite-sized pieces and upload them to our YouTube channel to make it easy for you to revisit ideas at your own time and pace. This also makes it easier for you to share these ideas with your friends and get their feedback. Every week, we try to bring you a range of ideas from large caps, small and mid caps, as well as core thematics. Today, we will begin by looking at Xiabuxiabu, a leading F&B company in Hong Kong, China. We will then move on to Intel, and finally, we will look at robotics leader Fanuc in Japan. Let's begin by Xiabuxiabu. The ticker is 520 Hong Kong. The market cap is just over $1 billion US. As you can see from the chart on the right-hand side, the name has done quite well in the last few months, and this is covered by Eric Chen on the Smartkarma platform. For those of you who might not know, Xiabuxiabu owns and operates a chain of restaurants in Hong Kong and China. China's catering players have seen a very strong recovery during the CNY period, starting from the 22nd of January. We expect the net profit of the company in 2023 could top 400 million RMB, and revenue could reach an all-time high of 7.2 billion. It is the most attractively priced to play the reopening in the Chinese catering sector at a discount of 50 to 60% to its peers. At a target PE of 30 times, our analyst sees at least 50% return over the next 12-month time horizon. Moving on to Intel, this is covered by Aaron Gabin on the platform, and this is a share price chart that is trading close to its 52-week low levels. Intel, for those of you who might not know, designs and sells computer components, most importantly microprocessors and key chipsets. Intel had a very, very difficult fourth quarter, and it has guided its first quarter 2023 revenues to be down 40% year-on-year and down 22% quarter-on-quarter, and also 21% below consensus. This is now in the current share price. First quarter gross margins ex accounting changes are guided to 36%, which would be the lowest level since 1986. Intel's worsening free cash flow means that dividend cuts are on the table. This continues to be a name that we sit on the sidelines of. Finally, moving on to Fanuc, which is a Japan-listed robotics leader with a ticker 6954JP, a market cap of $33 billion US. Fanuc manufactures factory automation systems as well as equipment as well as robotics. Mark notes that Fanuc's Q3 sales and earnings beat analyst expectations. Sales rose 17% year-on-year and profits increased by 14%. But collapse in FA orders in Q3 is noticeable. These correlate very closely to the Japan machine tool numbers. Nonetheless, there is good upside for the stock over the longer term as the robotic orders remain quite strong. Fanuc remains a key beneficiary from deglobalization and the need to modernize the global supply chain. If you found the forum useful but have follow-up questions, please feel free to continue the conversation on Smartkarma. We hope to speak to you next week. Till then, all the best and goodbye.
That's it for this week. You can find more ideas like the ones we discussed today on demand on our YouTube channel. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification button. If you like these ideas, spread the word. Tell a fellow investor about Smartkarma Plus and follow us on social media. Just search for Smartkarma. And of course, don't forget to visit smartkarma.com for more independent, differentiated investment insights. Thanks for watching, and see you next week.